an introduction to Dr. Sharmila. Okay. Hi, good morning, Dr. Sharmila. So just to kind of give you a kind of a quick round of and a small introduction to her. Right now, your competition has been revved up to the next level, guys. You have a new level of competition, and this competition are given by people who are at an age group of probably around 15 years, 16 years, 17, or all the teens. And they are right now being trained by experts like Dr. Sharmila to come up for public speaking, publishing books, getting into marketing, getting the next level. They are revising up the entire ecosystem where these young masters are going to be the next competition for you guys. So it is great to have I'll say the builders of the nation the age group has become much more teenagers now. So thanks to people like Sharmila who has been doing amazingly great on that. Sharmila, over to you. The entire stage is yours.
Hey, hi everyone. This is Dr. Sharmila, author of the book I Misunderstood. It's always amazing to meet each and every one of you, and thank you so much, Gopal, Amit, Santosh, and the entire team to give me an opportunity every time to talk to you and say that impossible is just a word. It just says I am possible, and with the right mentors, anything is possible. And you have the best at hand here. Gopal is like homegrown. Instead of hoping and expecting to learn from everyone else, he's just brought everything and made it so simple that he just changed our game around. That's what I would say. I run this initiative called Parenting along with my teenage daughter Ashley. We've been in this space. We launched our book at the National Achievers Conference 2019, and we've been in the parenting space for donkey's ages, sorry for lack of better word. And I literally had to break my head trying to make parents understand, and failed terribly. Let me tell you that. Failed. I mean, it was bad. All my webinars actually tanked. I even conducted, live sessions, spent a lot of money, and parents loved the session. At the end of it, they said, maybe not. So it was like I was losing money, and somewhere I was also questioning whether am I really focusing at the right place, because I'm passionate about children, and on my other side as a doctor, I've mentored almost 17,000 children from 42 different countries, and somehow I was not able to crack the Indian market. And that's when Gopal and team came in and said, change that perspective a little. And then we said, okay, fine. Anyways, I'm sitting home, locked down. Let me at least have fun. And that's how we started the Public Speaking Mastery WhatsApp program. And for $99, it was a no-brainer. And then it boomed. It literally changed things around, not only India, outside, like 42 countries in 4 months. It started April 1st. And like Gopal said, first week was like, we were like, really? Is this happening? I remember having this conversation with the Gopal and Santosh saying, if I get, 10 videos of children speaking, I think I will be really good. That will be great. You won't believe it. I right now have a community of a private Facebook community, which has 4,000 children who've given their first speech, and it's phenomenal.
Yeah,
so
amazing.
Thanks to Gopal, and like Amit said, guys, watch out. The competition is very huge. The way these children are speaking, 4-year-olds giving their speeches, starting their own companies, writing their books, launching their books, it's unimaginable. So the only takeaway here, when you have the right mentor, you have the right mastermind, and you have the amazing methods, there's just no stopping, and our world needs you. That's my...
Yeah, that's amazing. So tell us about your online course. Okay, what are the 2 courses, right? The first course is public speaking for kids, but what is your main online course, right? People go through that 5-day WhatsApp class or the 7-day WhatsApp class, and what is your main online course all about that makes people to feel that I can now get into Sharmila and achieve all the things I want for my child? Okay, what is that main online course, Sharmila?
Okay, so the point here is I take a pain point. Everyone has the fear of public speaking. That's the number one fear. And in 1 week's time, I not only break their fear, but also help them deliver their first speech. So there is a tangible result at the end. And the parents are seeing that every single day, the child is actually sitting, watching the video, taking actions. And we have a huge huge community online. I mean, the latest number that I have is 29,000 comments I've answered online. So it's just crazy. So there's social proof that is being created there and then itself. And at the end of the 5th day, when they actually deliver their speech, we conduct a live session as well for them. And in the live session, I tell them, hey, you will be succeeding. That I know. Do you want to do more? Do you want to learn more? If you want to learn more, come. I'm happy to show you. This is how I get you into the Young Leaders Challenge. And in the Young Leaders Challenge, we've been, trying out so many different things, and some have worked really well. So it's all about, experimenting. What we started and where we are has been, it's just getting better. So it's all about trying. Yeah.
Amazing. So what is your level 3 outcome, right? You also get people to write their books, right? Can you tell that about that project as well, Sharmila?
So in level 2, we help them become better public speakers. We show them how they can create social impact. And one challenge is, can you write a book in 7 days? Frankly, I never thought it will happen. We just created the course, and because anyways, we've written our book. We just wanted to share. We made it simple, like the local gurus who can make things simple. We made it simple for the children, and these kids wrote it. 13 children completed writing their books. And the level 3 was, we'll help you publish the book. And now 13 books are ready to be published in August. And it's unimaginable. And the youngest author, Purvesh, 7 years old.
Okay, amazing. So for someone who has been struggling to create customer value, like create marketing value, but you have a lot of customer value, what is that one advice you want to give to people who are starting out today? So they have all the Saraswati, but the Lakshmi is not coming to them because they're not able to communicate their value in a way that people appreciate value. What is the one advice you want to give them, Sharmila?
I know it'll be a little too much, but the fact is, when you have the right mentor, and sometimes it's like, when Saraswati is up there, it becomes very heavy and we start feeling we know it all. That's the one thing we should not have. Even when Saraswati is there, it's very important that we keep our feet on the ground. Take lessons from people who've done it. So to me, Gopal is a guru. When Gopal says something, do this, then you do it, period. There's no questions about it. So that's how it's, your area, but then he knows certain areas which, then when you bring it together, then you guys create magic. So you know a lot of things. I agree. This world or our country at this time, definitely they need as much as help as possible. So go ahead, believe in yourself, have the right systems, and see magic happen.
Amazing. So you said about international, right? So can you tell me about the story of this public speaking mastery going international? Because people want to know that. Okay, so an Indian can actually go ahead and dive into the international market as well. Yeah.
I've had students from Dubai, Sri Lanka. News spreads. That's the best part. And I did nothing to. We initially thought we'll do a little bit of international marketing, but then we just didn't want to do it. But then if you look through the community, all Indians, it's a very close circle. There are people who are there in London, Canada, US who've taken the program. So when you create success, it speaks for itself. You don't have to really go and then keep, that's the best part. When you actually take the Lakshmi route, it's a little difficult. When you take the Saraswati route, suddenly people are saying, they are coming and like every parent is coming and saying, madam, please take care of my child. And I'm like, okay, I'm happy to do personal mentoring. That will just be a little extra. So it's like, I didn't even have any of these programs in my mind. It just started happening based on what my clients started asking. And somewhere it is very, very gratifying. See, what I really wanted was to create young leaders, and I thought I will do it through the parents. But now parents are wanting me to do directly with their children, and it works. Sometimes we feel this is the only way, but then with the right mentors, you have 10 different ways that opens up.
Yeah, thanks for that wonderful inspiration, right? Your story is inspiration because now you have made your program, it has going viral, etc., etc. Can we all say congratulations to Sharmila for making it happen, right? A lot of people have a lot of customer value, but it is about creating marketing value that makes the difference. If you don't learn how to create marketing value, again, you have to go back to Saraswati. Okay, you have to learn that marketing education as just like you studied for your own expertise. You need to learn that Saraswati for marketing as well. And if you do that, you will be able to be successful as Sharmila. So thanks for your time, Sharmila. Any one question for Sharmila we can take. Okay? One question and we will close this. So, and we'll be sharing all the course links of experts next week. Don't worry about that. Yeah. Yeah. Any one question we can, okay. How to find the topic, ask Sumit. Okay. So did you know all these topics that you're taking for your online courses before this class?
Not at all. The
Okay.
best part is your customers will tell you what they want. Just listen to them. The only one thing that I want for teachers is that be a little humble. I know you have great products. It's like as a doctor, I have tons of medicine, but I have to give the medicine that the patient wants. So that is how if you turn that program that you're offering, and if you solve the problem of your client, you are going to be, I mean, you don't have to sell anything. They will come and buy from you because they know you're solving their problem. So that's the one.
All right. Okay.
All my programs, my clients told me what they want, and that's how I did it.
Okay. So the final question is any single advice to parents from you, ma'am? Okay. One advice for parents. And we'll stop. Yeah. Yeah.
You know, guys, children have a lot to teach us. If only you have the humility to let them lead. The minute they become responsible young leaders, you will be surprised at their potential. So just trust in your children, learn from them, and be their friend. Don't become their friend, become the friendly parent, and just be there and tell them that you trust them. When they know that you trust them, they will do magic. And I know that every child has a lot of genius inside. You just have to bring the genie outside, and it's beautiful. And our country needs them at this point. So all the very best, parents, and loads of love to you and your children, and all the very best, Gopal. I know you're creating leaders, and my best wishes.
Yeah, thanks for your time, Shamila. It has been great talking with you, and I really wish you to take it to the million smiles target that you have. Thanks, Shamila, for your time. So can you all say thanks to Shamila for spending her valuable time with us and sharing her binge marketing journey. Thanks, Shamila. We're going to come back to the session. Bye-bye. All right. So we're going to come back to the class. Okay, so that is what happens, right? Her final day WhatsApp class is a smash, right? She's so relaxed, there is no pressure, and she's able to enjoy 20 to 40% conversion every single time. So when you make your 5-day WhatsApp class outcome based, which I'm going to tell you how to do that in the evening, but if you make it outcome based like Shamila, where she delivers a tangible results, you'll be able to get at 20 to 40% conversions on the final day. And this is nowhere near, right? In webinars, even if you hit 10%, that is huge. But 20 to 40% conversion is possible because you create value for your clients. It becomes like a sales machine, right? So when you have this in place, right, it works like a machine every single time. And you can scale this predictably. There is no if and buts, right? If someone comes, someone will buy, okay? It is no if and buts here. You can scale this predictably. And this is what I call as binge marketing. So doing this Friday, spending 7 hours with them, and then making an offer to your online course is what I call as binge marketing. So let me explain what is this binge marketing. Have you ever watched Game of Thrones? Any of your favorite TV shows like Sacred Games? Anything on a Saturday and Sunday? Where in the morning you watch something, in the evening you watch something, next day morning you watch something, evening you watch something, even it can go throughout the night. So binge is a period of excessive intelligent activity. It can be binge watching or binge eating. So binge marketing is this: making your prospects indulge with your content for 7 hours before you make an offer to your online courses. And binge marketing will go viral because people will spread the word about your program. In 5 days, if you can make someone a public speaker, they make a connection with you. This person is after goals, not programs. And because you demonstrate your ability, right? you'll be influencing them much, much better than just doing a webinar. People are able to see visible results. It's a win-win-win. It's a win for prospects, it's a win for sellers, and it's a win for the whole course creation industry. Anyone here agree after witnessing Sharmila and after seeing all the demonstrations? Do you think this is a much, much better model and it is a win-win-win model for online courses than webinars can ever do? Type www if you think that this is a win-win-win model for everyone. A lot of gurus, people who are webinar veterans, they're all switching to this model because it's a win-win-win. It's a win for the prospects, it's a win for the sellers, and it's a win for the whole course creation industry. Okay, you'll be like learning that later. Okay, too soon to judge, says someone. Okay, yes, I will let you judge based on the results you get tomorrow. Okay, you'll be getting results with this tomorrow itself, and you'll be launching your course and getting your first 10 sales. Now I'm going to give you the million rupee math. If you want to reach 10 lakhs per month with this binge marketing, what is that you need to do? Million rupee math. Because if you can reach 10 lakhs per month, you can almost do anything in your industry. You can do anything in your business. So this is the first level that any aspiring course creator should aim for. If you want to make 10 lakhs per month, you need to make 2.5 lakhs per week. How to make this 2.5 lakhs per week? Do you want to know the math? Because it is not just about the creative ideas, it is also about data. As a marketer, you need to understand that marketing is about creativity as well as data. 2.5 lakhs per week. How to achieve this outcome? There are two ways you can do this 10 lakhs and both works. For example, we made 10 lakhs per month by doing this. We charge rupees 500 for our program. Every single week, 200 people bought that 500 rupees program. And out of those 200 people, 30 people bought our main program at 5K each. 1.5 lakhs with our main online course. And 1 lakh through our 5-day WhatsApp class. 2.5 lakhs in revenue every single week. There is another model which Ankit is doing, one of my students. He's going to come tomorrow evening for you guys. And he does this. He charges rupees 99 for his 5-day WhatsApp class. And he makes people to wake up at 5 a.m. Anyone here who wants to wake up at 5 a.m. and never been able to do that, he makes people to wake up at 5 a.m. on the 4th day. He charges rupees 99 for this program and 500 people buy into his 900 rupees program every single week. And 100 people buy his next level program priced just at 2K. When you're starting out, you can just keep your pricing at 2K. And then slowly increase your pricing. Again, this model, through your 5-day WhatsApp class, you're getting 1 lakh. And with your main online course, you're making 2 lakhs. Here, the 5-day WhatsApp, you're making 50,000 rupees. So 2.5 lakhs every week. Whatever I'm giving you is simple but not easy. Whatever I'm giving you is simple but not easy. You need to learn how to create offers. You need to learn how to create stories. You need to learn how to structure a WhatsApp class. There are a lot of skills you need to master, which you'll be mastering in the next 3 episodes. But if you learn how to make offers that are irresistible and how to tell stories, right? 2 things. Make offers and tell stories. If you learn how to make offers and tell stories, you will be able to become what I call as a million rupee marketer. I know many of you here are just course creators. You have a lot of knowledge, but when it comes to marketing, you are starting your day one today. But if you commit to these 2 rules, which I call as the million rupee marketing rules, then you are going to win and you're going to hit your 10 lakhs per month in the fastest time possible. But it requires for you to commit to these 2 skills, making offers and telling stories. If you don't learn and master these two skills, this target is never going to happen. Type MRM in the chat box. It stands for Million Rupee Marketer. If you're going to learn these two skills, master these two skills before you go and do it. Okay? Okay. Type MRM in the chat box if you're going to commit your time and money to do this. It takes a lot of time and effort and money. Right? It is not easy. It is simple but not easy. Now I'm going to open up for questions. Okay, so you can go to the Q&A section. You can go to the Q&A section and you can start asking questions. Anyone here want to do this? You can start your Q&A section and you can ask all your questions on the Q&A. I'll be answering them for the next 5 minutes, and at 10:10 a.m. we'll be having a break. From 10:10 to 10:20 a.m. we'll be having a break, and then we'll be coming back and we'll be continuing the session. Okay, so 10:10 to 10:20 it is. The recording will be provided, guys. This session, the next session, the tomorrow morning, right? We'll be giving the recording, but the final session tomorrow will not have the recording. You have to attend it live. Okay? And we'll be giving you the recording on the Telegram group, and everything will be given to you. Amit, you're here. You can ask me the questions so that I can answer them, Amit. Okay, and we'll break off at 10:10 a.m. and we'll be having a break.
Yes, I'm there, Gopal. I'm just trying to pull out the questions here. And I think most of the questions are all about the program. I think we have already, go back to the recordings. I think we have already shared all these things. Language barrier. Amit Bharadwaj has a kind of a good question. Do you think there is a language barrier in mode of teaching?
So one of my students, right, his name is Mayur Soni, right? He teaches Gujarati people how to learn English in Gujarati. His ad is in Gujarati, his videos in Gujarati, everything Gujarati. Language is not a barrier, but how relatable you are in your message. Okay? In your story, right, you need to make it relatable. Tomorrow evening, you'll be learning how to become an expert that your audience will be able to relate to, right? That you'll be learning in detail. Even in the next session, I'll be covering something on those, how to become relatable. I'll be sharing that with you.
Right. Just another kind of a very interesting question. It says, like, there are some courses internationally which are priced at $997. So what is the equivalent pricing in India? What should be the right pricing? I understand, this is a club of more than 2 or 3 questions I'm doing. Why 99 rupees? And what is the next upsell should be there?
The 19 rupees is a no-brainer price in India, right? Okay. People can take a risk, right? Anyone can take a risk. Even when it goes above rupees 99, they have to think. Okay, when you keep your pricing at rupees 99, people don't have to think about it. It's an irresistible offer. People can take a risk, right? Okay, and they can just come in, and because they have made that payment, just like BookMyShow, right? They have made a small payment. They will come and attend all your programs. Okay, the moment you make them attend your classes, then you can easily shift them to the next level. That is why you keep the pricing at rupees 99. Another reason is, right, you can get a large volume of people in if you have it 99 rupees. If you have it 500 rupees, right, the number of people who come in will be very less. For example, if you get 100 people at 500 rupees, you're paying 50K. But the same thing, right, you can get 500 people at rupees 100. Now, instead of 100 people coming into your program, you have 500 people. That is why you need to shift to a lower price model if you want to really scale the business. Otherwise, if you're okay with a lesser income, you can go with a smaller price, higher price, guys.
Okay, so I have got a couple of more questions. Probably will take another 2-3 questions because these are certain questions which will be answered anyway in the coming thing. How to choose the niche and how do you build upon your startup course?
So you will be covering about your niche. Okay, I'll be like telling you like how exactly to arrive at your niche that will make people to feel that this person is expert. Okay, I already answered that. You need to solve an urgent problem and you need to put in the time and effort to research about that problem and arrive at a solution that is step by step. I'll be showing you an actual example in the next episode. Okay.
Another question is, are you helping us in creating our courses?
So yes, in the next session, I'll be telling you how to create your own online course. Okay. I'll not be able to cover it in depth, but I will tell you exactly what it takes to launch a winning online course that you can price at 5K or more.
Okay. Well, I think a lot of questions are there, which are pumping up. One is like, why Telegram? But you told about WhatsApp. So it is like we have transformed from the WhatsApp to the Telegram. What was the reason for that?
So we have been using WhatsApp for a pretty long time, but we are just testing things out, right? Because we want to have a lot of privacy for our clients. And when we go to the scale of more than 1,000 people, right now, 1,000 people here, right? So we want to protect all your data as well. That's why we are shifting to Telegram, protect your data. We are just testing things out. Okay? If it doesn't work out, we'll go back to WhatsApp. But as a pioneer, right, we need to test things out so that you guys know what works and what doesn't, right? We are testing things out right now, and that's why things are not as good as it was at WhatsApp. So we are testing things out because we take all the arrows in our back, right? We need to experiment a lot for you guys to do something without those pains and hurting. Yeah, that is why we do it. And Telegram is much better because it protects data, and we can have the whole show under Telegram for 2 days without compromising on privacy, and we can have Telegram as a playground as well. Yeah, just testing out.
So one last question before we take this break says, now since you are doing it for many months, okay, you have got good testimonials. How about us when we are starting it absolutely fresh? How do we bring in testimonials?
So
how do I show
learning, yeah, you'll be learning how to do a beta program. Okay, tomorrow morning I will be teaching you how to do a beta program. Your beta program is all about creating testimonials, creating case studies. So your first program is not about you making money. Your first program is about you creating case studies. I basically call your online courses as a case study program. Your job with your online course is not to teach something, but to create case studies.
Right. I think there are a lot of questions are there which you can definitely take up in the later part of the things. Last one question. This is more of a question, and if we don't clear this doubt, I think we should not leave this place, Gopal. I want you to answer this last question because this is something which is very serious, and this can lead into something which is a negative or probably I'll say bad apple for us. It says, Gopal sir, isn't it you are doing a webinar too?
So a webinar is very passive. Okay. So a webinar is passive, right? And WhatsApp class is active, right? We'll be like interacting on the Telegram group and the WhatsApp group. It's a class. It's not a webinar where there is only one person talking and there is not much interaction between the students, right? This is like a class where the teacher will interact with you. The students can interact with each other. Tomorrow, all of you guys, students, will interact with each other, and you'll be launching your online course, helping each other. That will never happen in a webinar. A webinar is a passive one where only there is a one-way interaction between the presenter and the audience. But here it is two-way where we actually actively help you to achieve an outcome. And that is why I call it as active classes. And it is not a passive webinar. Webinars are very passive, but whereas we spend 7 hours with you. You'll be spending 7 hours with you. You'll be finishing assignments. We'll be submitting them in the next class. So it's a class where you get homeworks, you get students help, you get teachers assignments, teachers advice, etc., etc. All these things are going to happen in today's today and tomorrow's class, and that is why binge marketing is different than a webinar. Okay? It is not a course, it is not a webinar, it's an active class.
Right. I think let's take a break now and let's get back since we have taken 2 more minutes. So what we're going to do is we'll start exactly at 10:22. Okay, I'm just borrowing this 2 minutes extra from Gopal. And in the meantime, this is a bio break. You can go out and bring your, fill up your bottle of water, take your tea, snacks, breakfast, what you want to do. This is purposely been given so that you take a break. And Gopal, so you can take a bio break as well. I'll keep the room engaged. Guys, this is something where I would like to probably just fill in. I'm filling it, guys. This is a bio break. You can take a break now. You can take your relaxations. But I'll be here to engage if you have any other questions, which will be something that I can answer you guys. Some of the questions are already been answered. You can go back to your Telegram. You can find out all these things. This recording thing is definitely going to be there. Don't worry. The recording will be shared to you guys. What's inside the classes, what's happening, we'll tell you right now. Once the break is over, Gopal is going to give you the entire course overview, what all things are there. And the next sometime, whom are we bringing next? Wow. So how many of you are actually looking to figure out who is the kind of guest of honor for us, the next guest of honor? We found that let us bring somebody who has reached to a superwoman person. Okay. And yes, right. So when I say superwoman, I think I would love to use this particular word. Is these are not the normal guys. Okay, they have gone to the next level, and it's not the money only. So what we thought is, why not we bring in somebody who has gone to a next level, and the next level is not chota mota level, not like this, small guys. So I'm talking about something which is really big. It needs lot of guts, lot of efforts, lot of practice to reach out. And that's what I call it as the level of Guinness Book of World Records. How does that sound? Okay, I think the chat bar is open, right? Are you able to chat with me? Just type in yes if you are there, someone. All right. One second. I think it's not responding. Right. So yeah. So we are bringing in somebody who is going to be, who is actually a fitness expert. Plus, I will definitely introduce her once I'm bringing in her. And one second. Let me just see if the chat bar is open. Just 1 second. Hold on. Okay. I think we have a lot of questions than chat bar. Oops. I don't know, due to some reasons, my my chat is not working properly. All right. Okay, so Vaishali, you're saying I'm a student, don't have the content ready yet. The course is helpful or now or later. Yes, this course is going to be helpful for you. If you don't have a class, you don't have your course also, still you can use this up. Dipti Kala, Gopal, I have been investing in Saraswati, however, didn't know how to start the business. Can this course help? And yes, I'm taking the baton from Gopal. I'm telling you, in the last couple of sessions, we have seen people growing from 0 to at least version 2.0 in no time. Less than 24 hours, 48 hours, people have actually started getting their first clients. They started their courses. They started utilizing all these things. And this is a great push. And today being the Ganesh Chaturthi, where I was hearing one of Gopal's talk here, he talks about the heavy head wisdom, like the elephant head. But understand, elephant head is also balanced by the big belly, which is the place where all the good and bad and everything can be digested. But it all starts with your action and the entire procrastination that you had been doing it. A lot of people have actually, started their life's journey with this binge marketing thing. A lot of people have taken that course, because today what we're going to do is we're going to share you some of the homeworks. These are very, very miniature homeworks. These are very no-brainer, because Gopal gives you everything like, it's like a spoon-fed kind of thing. He's going to give you all the templates, structures, positioning, how to do, and everything, which is right now I couldn't find anywhere in the world. I'm not an expert. I think I've already answered your question. Okay. I have got Amul Karale. Hey Amul, how are you guys doing? Hi Gopal, how to enroll in the WhatsApp course? I am following you friends a long time. Great, nice to see you, buddy. Yes, you can enroll at the end of it. Probably, definitely we can let you know about that. How to select subject line on the course. Everything is going to be taught here. And I don't know, this is something which I call it a spoon feeding. And I've been telling Gopal, like, this is something incredible. No one does this. 12 years of his hard learned stuff, he's like giving it out in front of you, without any kind of stuff, right? This is no brainer. Yeah. Guys, one more thing I would like you to do is, once we are entering this Zoom chat bar, write your name so that you can change your name, your title, so that it does not come as Galaxy and the Redmi and all the phone names comes in, and it comes as like an anonymous. Don't you wish to being heard here? Don't you wish me to call out your name like how I have been calling out the other guys, right? So I would rather have your names rather than just answering your questions. This system seems to be very manual. A lot of hard work is required, I feel, and it's a long run only automated system works. My dear brother, let me put, I don't know, brother or sister, okay? There are a lot of people who have tried, tested everything. I think we have tested more than 73 softwares so far on automation, and ClickFunnels and Hack and all those things are all very miniature when we come to something which is a real-time sequencing, and that is what we're going to learn today. It is not about the software, but what to do with the software. A very learned mentor has told once, it is not what is the tool, but what you do with the tool. It is not your wisdom, but what you do with your wisdom, right? So once you come in here, understand one thing, every smart work started with a hard work. I think that's the only piece of wisdom that I can give it to you guys. But once you see it happening, seeing is believing. How many of you think that? Seeing is believing. But I think the believing is more in the numbers. Once you see people pouring up in your own groups, people coming to you without doing any kind of stuff. Automation and all these things looks good, but for that, you need to start somewhere. So it's Newton's law, the momentum. The inertia is the toughest thing in the world to push when you are stagnant. And binge marketing is something that gives you that first initial push, the starting of the engine. Well, there are a lot of questions here. Ananda Mahapatra, please repeat. Any kind of repeats, positioning and all these things, please go back. The recording will be given back to you. Can pharma course be taught on WhatsApp? Yes, Bhaskar Napte. Pharma courses, we have somebody who has been training all these things on high level of mechanical, technical stuff. Yes, if that can be done, pharma is also not a brainer, right? How much time? Sorry, I missed it out. 1 second. How much time and money I have to invest as I'm not clear about the subject too? It's okay. Everything will fall in place. I don't want to, take out the surprise and the disturb you with all the stuff. I want you to concentrate on the classes. I want you to concentrate on what's exactly happening. And as I stated in the morning, there will be three kind of people who will be here. People who would not understand anything, go back and watch the recording. People who have understood but have a doubt, have the recording and come and participate and see how others are performing as well. And the third, people who have really understood and have doing great, why don't you help others? So it's a kind of a community building as well. Raman Sharma, how to choose which niche? We're going to talk about all this niche thing is coming up in the few more, I think the hours which we'll be sharing around. How to make a course? Answered. How much time and money? Okay, 1 second. Let me just get into a lot of other questions are there. It's a huge lot of list. So WhatsApp is the only of marketing, but the actual session is conducted through Zoom, right? Yes, Praveen Sate is right. Yeah, we can do all these things. We can use many other things. It might not be Zoom. It can use many other things. Again, tool does not matter. What matters is how you conduct that session, how you position it, how you strategize all these things. Because I am a teacher, want to launch grammar maths course, and can I start bench marketing? Yes, of course, because you can do that. Will you guide after the session? Yes, Atul, we will talk about all these things, how stage by stage. This is more of hand holding than guidance. Actually, we make you, push you, and we'll let you know all the structures. And this is not a coaching system. I mean, this is not a kind of a program or a teaching session. It is more of a coaching system. So you perform the same 100 meters every day. The coach comes and tells you every time you run that 100 meters, okay? How do you perfect your game? And this is a game of perfection. All right, so I think we have answered a lot of questions, guys, and I'll be there as well. A lot of questions are already answered. I think most of the questions are already answered in the Telegram group. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the system, because timing is something that I always measure the first thing before I measure anything else. That's the first God. So let's bring the God of bench marketing. Let's bring the founder himself, the mentor, my mentor. Now it's your mentor as well, and as well. Today is a kind of a great start. I would love to have this energy here. So what I'm doing is I want you to probably just 1 second. Let me just see if the chat bar is open. 1 second. There is some problem with the chat with my system. Okay. Can support team, can you just help me with opening the chat bar, please? Support team, if you're hearing me, can you just open the chat bar, please? All right. Great. So I think everyone is there, right? Okay. So guys, once again, let's bring in the kind of energy. I want you to guys, type in a big next level clap. Okay, next level love. Show the love to the mentor himself. He has invested 12 plus years on creating this amazing bench marketing. So Gopal, are you here? Let's bring Gopal, the man, the person, the mission, and everything. All here is all about how you create your version 2.0. Welcome back, Gopal. Stage is all yours.
Yeah. All right. Okay. Thanks everyone for welcoming me back. And someone is asking, right, what is the name of the autobiography of my mentor? Okay. It's called The My Unfinished Business by Dan Kennedy. Okay. Dan Kennedy is the world's #1 marketing mentor. And this is a secret, guys. Anyone here understands that if you learn, if you actually read the autobiography of your mentor, you will have the mindset of the mentor. You learn all their principles. You learn all the strategies. And it is such a cool thing. Okay? Type, okay, and your success is automatic, right? The moment you do this, okay, you get the mindset of the person, you get all their principles with this operate, right? that is when your success becomes automatic. It is auto. So anyone here will start reading the autobiographies of your role models like Tony Robbins, like Robert Kiyosaki, etc., etc. Type auto in the chat box if you will read the autobiography of your people, because autobiographies make your success automatic. Okay, I just followed whatever there in this particular book, and my success has been automatic. Okay, I have become the Dan Kennedy of India. Okay, I have become the Dan Kennedy of India because I follow his autobiography. Okay. Okay, all right. So it is an automatic process. Okay. It is my automatic process. Okay, you need to learn marketing, Priya. Okay. You would have learned how to create 5-day WhatsApp classes, but if you don't know how to market, if you don't master the skill, right, then that is never going to happen. That is why it is so important to master marketing. Strategies don't work. Okay. I will read an article where you think that the 5-day WhatsApp lesson, okay, the system will not work. Okay. You, the person with your creativity, needs to make that work. And you need to work on your creativity, and that is what I'm going to tell you in the next class. Okay, and so before I go into the thing, right, I want to, what is the playground we are playing, guys? So if where is the classroom happening? Okay? Where is the classroom happening? The classroom is happening on Telegram. Okay? So all your communication will happen on Telegram. Okay? Today, all your communication, all your recordings, everything will be happening on Telegram or the Facebook group. Okay? You will get your notifications. Either you need to be part of the Telegram group or the Facebook group. Even if you're there in one of these two things, it's okay. Okay? Even if you're not able to access Telegram, that is fine. But if you're in the Facebook group, you will be able to access it. We'll also sending you emails. We'll be sending you SMS. We'll be sending you WhatsApp recordings. Everything will happen. So don't worry if you're not got it. So I'm going to share my screen, the Telegram screen. Okay. And I'm going to tell you, this is the playground. So if in this classroom, right, okay, the classroom is the Telegram. Okay, we'll be having a Telegram group in which you need to like open this up. Okay, and I want you guys to understand this. Okay, why do very few people who take courses actually become successful? Okay, I want you guys to attend this live. But very few people, right? Okay, they will attend all the programs live, right? If you don't attend the live, then you won't have the same energy. Okay, if you don't have the same energy, right, it is not going to happen. Okay, so here, okay, so I'm going to tell you what is the agenda. Okay, everything that you need to do will happen on this particular Telegram group. Okay, so here, right, we'll be like opening this Telegram group tomorrow for you to interact and get your sales. Okay. So here is the agenda, guys. Okay, the agenda here is this. Okay, the agenda for the next 2 sessions is this. I want everyone here, 900 people. If you're really serious about launching your online course, you need to attend all these classes live at this time. Okay, today morning, right, we're going to see 9 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. You're going to learn the binge marketing overview and the course of a design. Right, I have finished the overview. In the next session, 1 hour, you're going to learn how to create your course offer. And in episode 2, it is going to happen Saturday 5 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. You're going to learn how to create your WhatsApp class offer and how to structure your whole WhatsApp class for gamification so that your audience win and not just learn. Episode 3, Sunday 9 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Zero cost, zero tech course launch. Tomorrow morning, I'm going to reveal the template, the Instant 10 template, the F10 template, right? The F10 template, which will help you to get your first 10 sales. And tomorrow evening, we'll be having scaling with Facebook ads. If you attend all these sessions live, and the last session is not recorded, no replays, so you have to attend tomorrow's evening live. My number one students are those people who attended everything live and they got 50 sales, 100 sales, 200 sales before the class gets over. That's the difference, guys. People who get results on my classes are people who are the number one. I'll be giving you assignments. Those people who submit their assignments as the first person, they will gain more than people who don't. Will you be my number one student and attend all the classes live and finish all the assignments? We'll be opening the Telegram groups for specific times. I want you to post on that particular group. Okay? Type number in the chat box if you attend all the sessions live, and you will be the number one person to post your homework every single time. Type number 1 in the chat box. Okay, it is all about that. Okay, people think that, okay, why some people get results, why Sharmila alone get results? It is because she was my number one student. It is very, very important for you to attend this live and do it. Okay, if you're not that right, then you won't get results. Okay? Tomorrow you won't get results if you are not my number one student. Okay, you will just watch this, then you'll forget what happened. Okay, then you will go away. So I'm going to come back to this. So this is going to change. Okay, anyone here want to communicate your positioning statement? Okay, your course offer in a single statement. Anyone here want people to buy your online course just by seeing one statement, or just become curious? That is what I'm going to give you guys now. Okay. So this is going to come now. I'm just having some difficulties, so please bear with me. Okay. Okay, I've got this. So, okay. So you're going to see this particular screen that says offer and course design. Okay. Offer and course design, and I'm going to take you through this, guys, now. Okay. So you learn how to create your offer and how to structure your course so that it can be priced at 5K or more. Again, you need to invest a lot of time and money. Okay? What I'm saying is simple, but you need to invest your time and money for the next 3 months if you're really serious about launching your online course. All right. Okay? We're getting into this, guys, offer and course design. So why we sell courses? I want you to give me the reason. Why we sell courses in the marketplace? Why do we sell courses? To solve problems, to give value, and since there is demand, to bring the change. Okay. Yeah, nobody is telling me the answer. Okay, nobody telling me the answer, and I'm okay. And mastery, someone was very close. I will tell you why we sell courses. Okay, and let me ask you a different question. Okay, why people buy courses? Okay, let us forget about why we. Okay, we are not important, right? Prospects. Why do people buy courses? Answer me this question. Why people buy courses? To get skilled. Okay, someone has given me the right answer. Okay, why people buy courses? They want to achieve a goal for which they don't have the skills for. Anyone here agree to this? For example, if I want to wake up at 5 a.m., but I have not been able to do this for several years, I will invest in a program to achieve a goal because I don't have the skills to actually wake up at 5 a.m. They want to achieve mastery over the skills they have required. They require to achieve the goals. Okay. The only reason people invest in an online course is because they want to achieve mastery over the skills they require to achieve their goals. So why we sell courses? We sell courses because we sell for installing a skill inside them. We do courses because we want to install a skill inside a person faster. Our whole company is about one thing: master faster. We help people to master marketing faster than anyone else on the planet. That is why we are here. That is our why statement. Type SFS if you agree with this. Okay? We are all selling for a skill, right? For example, anything, right? For example, when I purchase this, right, I am purchasing the skill of drinking water. Okay? When I am buying a smartwatch, right, I am buying the skill of fitness. Okay? So everything that we buy around us, right? What the mic here gives me the skill of podcasting, doing video interviews. Every product that we have bought is because we want a skill. When we purchase a DSLR, right? We don't buy a camera. We buy the skill of photography. Anyone here agree to this? We sell for skill. Type SFS. It stands for sell for skill. If you agree that everything that we buy is because we want that skill. SFS. Sell for skill. But so many people, right? They don't do this. They think that a sale is something, a course is just about selling and making money. We sell for installing a skill. Experience is the medium through which we install a skill. We sell for installing a skill inside our audience. And who can solve this problem? For example, you are a neurosurgeon, right? You don't have the expertise right now. Okay? You want to become a neurosurgeon. You don't know anything about neurosurgery. What will you do? You will gain the knowledge in a medical college and then solve problem, and then you're ready to do neurosurgery. You don't have to have your own experience right now. Even if you don't have the experience, if you can just gain the knowledge and solve problem with your skill, that is fine. For example, if you don't have if you have a problem of waking up at 5 a.m. Now you read Robin Sharma, you read Vishen Lakhani, you read you go through a lot of courses in Mind Valley. You gain a lot of knowledge around that problem and solve your own problem. In 3 months, you gain knowledge and solve your problem. And you are now ready to share your skill with others and teach them that. You are helping entrepreneurs how to create systems. You don't need to run $1 million company yourself. You just need to learn how to create systems. You can learn it from different mentors, and then you can form your own system and help